There goes the tip-off. Unang possession, unang white. Number 13, wala. Number 18 now. Crossing through midcourt. Delmesa. Over to number 17. Binigay sa ilalim ng pass, but overlooks the shot. Binigay ka number 18. Trying violation.
Di ba siya ako doon?
Number 15. Binigay ka number 16. Number 15, Lozon, lays up. No break. Garcia. First 2 points of the game for AIT. Lozon. Number 15. Lozon. Over to number 16, Tagler, tries to dribble, in and out, put pass, in and out, in. Wala na pang score on White. Garcia, last touch on White. Single. Two, nothing on the score, wala na ang block. Garcia, poste, binigay siya di pass, Vanessa. Binigay sa corner. Sa ilalim ng Garcia, found his way. Over. Rebound Vanessa. Vanessa. Kick out to number 8. Binigay number 20. Binigay sa gitna. Garcia. No way. Rebound. One ball.
Parap!
Isuas. Over to number 9. Pagkuha. Nakuha ni Lozon. Lozon now makes his way. Lozon. Over to Pua. Pua takes the pass.
Good!
Nine on the shot clock.
Hawak!
Over to Delmesa, number 18. Over to number 8. This is way, number 20. Lays up, blocked. Lozon with a rebound. Lozon makes his way. Lozon goes to the step. But there's a foul. Blocking foul on number 17, right? 31. Sorry. That is first personal foul. First free throw is over. Second throw. Shot back. 0-2. Binigay sa ilalim. Number 18. Punta. Who gets involved in Mesa now? Over to number 8. Number 8, Benedicto. Over to Delmesa. Delmesa short stand. Last, number 4, over to Lozon. Lozon, 1-on-1. Lays it up, no. Nakuha ni Tagler, put back his goal. Easy 2, for number 16, Tagler. Number 20. Crossing the midcourt. Soriano, over to Benedicto. Drives, takes, shoots, number, Garcia. There's a pushing foul on number 17. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Tagler tries to dribble. Short. Garcia over to Soriano. Soriano now with the basket from Soriano. Follows his way. Kick out to Vanessa. Vanessa over to Garcia and to Lozon. Lozon. The forward. Miscommunication for feeding to work.
Pinaiyak na sila dyan ha? Pinaiyak na sila dyan.
Alam kasi si Pipi pinapakita yung referee eh. Winarningan na yun. Sinabihan ko nga yun eh. Technically ka na. Wala akong gano'n.
Shoots. No good. Rebound number 18. Nagpapatalay si number 18. Number 18. Raise up. Yes sir. 2 points for number 18. Garcia, the big man, showing the dribbling powers. Raise up, 2 points. Garcia.
Magaling na.
With a
Nag-improve na.
First deadlock of the ball game at 4. All Lozon looking right, looking left. Binigay kay Pua. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Lazy. Stay ball.
5 minutes sub.
Pua inbound. Lauzon tries the triple. Rebound Garcia. Garcia pushes the ball. Benedicto. And there's a foul. Caught by that.
Sub. Lima.
Number 15.
Lima, sub, lima. Change 5.
First personal foul by number 15. Alektima, both teams. Official score, 4-all. 5 minutes to 15.
Papalitin niya yung ano, yung isa, yung naka-jersey na puti, dapat black yan.
Kuya, kailangan ito na.
Papalitin niya.
Ano type jersey?
Sabi ko, black jersey kayo, di ba? Sub mo na, Rani J, ikaw na.
Back to the ball game.
May stand ka na talaga po.
Ha?
May stand.
Nakapagod maghawak eh.
Ito na po ang White. Number 28. Binigay ko number 2. Binigay sa ilalim ng number 50. Boom, shoot. But there's a travel evaluation. Doing the chaka is Mr. Boom. Ito na po. Rana J. Sitting in the play. Waiting for his teammate. Taking the pass over to number 16. Number 16. Binigay sa ilalim. Binigay sa gitna. Number 16. Behind 7 seconds on the shot clock. Traveling violation. Alson over to number 28. Number 28 now. Give the ball back to number 8. Second move is good. Easy to calls to number 8. Alson. Rana now. Rise, binigay sa gitna. Last touch. Panggulan number 2. Sayanan. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Rana. No basket. Offensive foul. Offensive foul on number 12. That is his first personal foul. Number 7 to 1. What number? 7. Number 28 now. Over to Perez. Number 3. Perez. Cross starts. Pagula. Binigay kay number 28. Number 2. Tries a triple. Perez. 9-6. The Martin score. 3 minutes and 18 seconds on our first half. Rana. Binigay sa ilalim. Kay number 2. Tingnan to number 7. Number 7. Shoots the rip. There's a foul. Caught by the referee, number 3. Number 3, that is his first personal foul. Pushing foul.
Kuha naman yan? Okay naman yan? Bakit daw?
Bawal. Headband.
Pagkalda daw ng mga accessory lang.
Ano tayo sa oras ah. Maybe na.
Dapat kasi
Ha?
Rebound number 50, over to Panzon.
hindi yung pupunta sila dito alas 7 pa.
Number 3.
Hindi, ang
To number
wala na
2.
din 7 to
Perez.
10.
Binigay
Kaya
sa kabila.
delay lang dahil ulang-ulan.
Shoots. Look, rebound number 50. Back to Perez. Rebound number 16.
Kung gano'n mga hindi dapat.
Ha?
640.
Last touch on
Basa pa.
tayo
bola.
9-6 ang ating goal score. 2 minutes and 30 remaining. Lalong White.
Sa yung bola.
By 3. Being Alexis Ferrer, Alsoy, gets the touch the ball. Binigay kay Ferrer, loses the handle.
Wala ng jersey dyan eh. Hindi ako nakadalang pampuna sa kanan dyan. Wala lang ngayong damit ko dito eh.
Ito, balik na rin mo. After the ball game. Number 16. Nabor, 26 football. Short. Rebound. Silverhead, nakuha ni Rana. Offensive board, number 7 drives. Save all, last touch on White. Number 16, in and out. Nakuha ni number 28. Number 28. Looking for a steal, comes to Solon. Number 28, siya na rin ang tumira.
Galing!
Yes, sir!
Galing ka na!
Number 28.
Oo ba?
11-6. Natin po Solon, number 5. Ang White. Nabor. Number 16, shoots. Basket is good. Comes a foul. Ang outlet. 15. Bakit foul number 15? That is the second personal foul.
Alright.
Bonus free throw for Pahor. In and out. So bonus free throw. Number 28 on the board. Over to Ferrer. Back Ferrer. We have to get number 28. Number 28. Over to Ferrer. Time to shoot. Shoots. Basket to make kasama ng foul. Foul on number 2. Bonus free throw. No good. Hindi nakapeg ang 3-point play. Block up floor. Number 7. Binigay sa gitna. Hasta sa White. Good defense.
Par, running time mo par. Aabutin ka na alas 10. Running time mo lang.
Ito na. One up floor. Number 7. Trying to check ball. Short. Stay on.
Para dito abutin ng alas ano.
Number 2. Wala. Kilos po siya niya. Nakuha ni Ferrer. Number 2. Ferrer. Naagaw. Fix. Shoots. Easy 2. For the goal. Ferrer na crossing the midline. Over to Ferrer. Binigay kay number 28. Pangasong Peru. Making the tally 16-10. Ang iyong malalaman. And Team White. Last 30 seconds of the first quarter. Signaling the plays, Rana. Rana being given the pick. Rana. Over to Silayan. Nawala ang bola. 16-10 official score. Lamang Ani, ang Team Bricks. Back to the ball game. Start of our second quarter. Black ball. Possession of black. Start of the second quarter.
Paputiin mo yun, no?
Number 18 now, Vanessa. Vanessa, looking for his teammate. Binigay ni Blanco. 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 Loses the
Master mo, pre. Master mo. Papatayin mo yan, sir. Yung isa.
Official timeout.
White. Mag-white yun yung isa.
Yeah. Much better. Okay lang yun. Rico Blanco. Back to the ball game. 16 to 10 ating full score. Long zone. Signal to play. Looking for his teammate. Trying to a triple. Trying to put that. Blanco. Ito na po. Si Defensa. Defensa. Defensa number 18. Rebounded. Nakapit ng steal. Nakuha pa rin Lawson. Lawson. Over sa ilalim. Naagaw. Naagay ni Defensa. Defensa. Driven the basketball is Defensa. Looking for steal. Benedicto Soriano. Ito si foul. Foul on number 0.
Yeah, okay lang yan. Pareklamo na ito.
And his first personal foul. Kasama ka na sa buhay ng alright, so yan. 2 free throws, first try.
Parang ikaw yun ka. Sa tagilid. Tumira.
Soriano. Second throw is on the way. Get out. Splits the charity. Makes the time 18 to 11. Lozon. Number 15. Lozon crosses over. Big Fidel. Number 18. Oh. To Lozon. Back to Lozon. 2 points. Number 15. Good passing basketball. But Team Ricks. Blanco now. Makes his way. Shoots. Rebounded back over the team. Lozon. Lozon from the net. Lays up. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 15. Official score, 22-11. On sinapong ang white. So yan na. Rebounded. Binigay Vanessa. 6. Kick out to Blanco. Blanco drives. James Blanco 6. Power rebound. Overpass the ball. Masyadong lakas. Galing sa buwan. Mayroon sa Vanessa. Vanessa, tingnan niya yung play. Humingi ng pick. Binigyan. Kick out to Blanco. Blanco. 2 much from behind. Sino nakakuha? Number 9. Pua. Controls the basketball. Pua. Binigay sa ilalim. Lays up. Put back. Good. Gets the miss. Number 18. Number 18.
Dead ball.
Blanco.
Oo, pag dead ball.
Binigay sa ilalim. Soriano. Lays up. 2 points. Good steal by Soriano sa ilalim. Lozon now. The ace point guard from Team Ricks. Lozon over to number 18. Back to Lozon over to Pua. Lozon pa rin. Lozon nakakayawan. Defense by Benedicto over to Benedicto. Benedicto. Tatabigan. Over to Soriano. Soriano. Lays up. Wala. Garcia. No good. Wala sa Garcia. Number 18 ang mamadali. Team Ranjay. Number 18. Number 18.
Outside lang. Walang foul, outside lang.
Game.
Is there a foul, right? Foul on number 18. Number 18, Vanessa. Number 18. Back to the ball game. 25-23. Blanco. Over to Pua. Cross court. Binigay sa ilalim. With shade. Benelec, 15 to shoot. Lozon drives. Nakuha. Score. One shot by Blanco.
Swerte ah. Maswerte. May swerte ah.
18, Teresa throwing down the basketball. Teresa over to Soriano. Soriano shoots. Short. Garcia pagkat is good. May kasama ng foul. On number 0. Ang dami nila, nakamag-anak.
Lopez.
That is the second personal foul.
By Lopez.
By Lopez. Agent Lopez. Garcia with the bonus throw. Completes the 3-1 play. Making the tally 27-16. An 8-point deficit for Team Ranajay. Lauzon now over to Blanco. Binigay sa ilalim. What a play. Nagpawala over to Soriano. Soriano, pull out. Gets back out of here. What a block by Lauzon. A great play. 27-16. Baseline Nina. Naagaw. Number 18. Binigay Lauzon. Lauzon. And 2 points. Easy 2 points for Lauzon. Defensa na ang point guard ng Team Ranajay. Defensa over to Blanco. Blanco drives. Good good. Pua with the ball. Pua pa rin number 9. Binigay sa yan ng 18. Lays up.
Basta ba nalamig na?
Defensa. A duty foul.
Palit lima.
Chase foul.
Tapos tumalad na.
Official score, 29-16. 5 minutes and 18 remaining in our second period. Naghahabol ang Team Ranajay.
Malalaki lang sila kasi wala.
Number 10, Rana. Binigay number 2. Binigay sa gita, number 31. To number 16. Number 16, Faith shoots. In and out. Rebound, number 8.
Niluha pa rin.
Binigay kay Jackson. Over to number 14, loses the handle. Binigay kay Rana. Over to number 16, no ball. Lays up.
Wala pa rin. Maalas naman nun.
Rana shoots.
Wala pa rin.
Nakuha pa rin ang ball. Sa ilalim, na ball. 2 points for number 16.
Wala pa rin.
The veteran of Ranajay team.
Nakalat nila.
Ferrer crossing the midcourt. Is Ferrer crossover behind the back. Binigay sa kabila. Number 38, Regason. Loses the handle. Nakakal ng tulunan, number 2. Over to number 7. Number 7, block off cross. Slowly but surely. Wala. Nakakuha ni Alson ang defensive board. Ferrer. Ferrer pa rin. Nakakal ng tulunan, number 2. Lin. No good.
Grabe naman yan. Wala pa rin. Patay.
Number 20. That is his second triple of the ball game for number 28. Number 10 now, Rana on the center court. Over to the ball. Drives, lays up. 2 points for the veteran of Team Ranajay. Ferrer now. Acting point guard for Team Bricks. Sindali to play. Binigay sa kabila. Loses the handle. Binigay ni Ferrer. Last 9 seconds on the shot clock. Being handled by Lin. Binigay sa gitna. Over to Regason. Masyado malakas. Tumasok sa behind number 8. Offensive court, but there is a foul on number 31. Number 31, that is the second personal foul. 2 free throws for number 8. First free throw, It's good. No problem. Last throw for number 8, Alsol. Look at that shooting form, 2 for 2 for Alsol. 34-20. Ako si Bo Malaman ng teammates, number 31 now. To the other test of the last number, nakalaw na goal number 31, sinigil number 16, ang goal nakalaw. Di nagat. Meron pong aksidente, hindi siya sadya. Number 31 is